Goodbye. Tingling hands and weak legs. 8 collagen snacks you'll love. If you are over 60 and you've noticed a persistent fizzing in your fingertips or a sudden heaviness in your legs that makes climbing stairs feel like a mountain trek, you are likely suffering from collagen decay. Most seniors assume these sensations are just nerves, but new 2026 musculoskeletal data reveals that your connective tissue is literally thinning out, causing your nerves to be pinched and your muscles to lose their anchors. This isn't just about skin and wrinkles. It is a structural failure that leads to the sarcopenic slide. You need to identify these 8 collagen power snacks immediately, because if you aren't rebuilding your internal scaffolding, you are choosing a path of progressive instability that will eventually steal your ability to walk with confidence. You won't want to miss the final habit, or 99% will miss the last tip and will be stuck with weak legs for life. The first snack you should reach for is bone broth Jell-O bites. By simmering high-quality beef or chicken bones and letting the liquid set into a chilled gel, you are consuming a concentrated dose of type 2 collagen. In a body over 60, this acts as biological lubricant for your knee and hip joints. It provides the specific amino acids, proline and glycine, that your body uses to patch the frayed sheaths around your peripheral nerves. This is the ultimate snack for silencing that tingling sensation in your hands because it provides the raw materials for nerve insulation that your modern diet is missing. Second is wild-caught sardines with lemon. While people focus on the fish oil, the real secret is in the tiny, soft bones and skin of the sardine. These are packed with marine collagen, which has a smaller molecular size, making it significantly easier for a senior's aging digestive tract to absorb. The vitamin C from the lemon acts as the biological spark that triggers your body to actually weave that collagen into your leg muscles. This snack tightens the connection between your tendons and bones, giving your legs the snappy strength they had decades ago. However, many seniors find that even with a collagen-rich diet, they hit a wall because of thermogenic resistance. This is a common 2026 health crisis where your internal fat-burning furnace has effectively dimmed, making your blood thick and your metabolism too sluggish to transport these healing proteins to your extremities. A lot of my viewers are getting great results with a new breakthrough called Citrus Burn. It's a 100% plant-based formula that helps break through that metabolic wall. One thing that's helping thousands right now is how it uses Seville orange peel to boost that internal fire. If you want faster results without feeling deprived, this is what I recommend, because it helps activate fat burning even while you're sleeping, and it comes with a 180-day money-back guarantee. Third on the list is soft-boiled eggs with chawl, the membrane. Most people throw away the most valuable part of the egg, the thin, white film inside the shell. This membrane is a natural source of collagen and hyaluronic acid. For a senior over 60, this is joint armor. It cushions the spaces between your vertebrae, reducing the spinal pressure that often causes weak leg syndrome. Eating 2 soft-boiled eggs daily, making sure to scrape that membrane, provides a steady, slow drip of repair nutrients that keeps your spine flexible and your nerves free from compression. Fourth is walnut and goji berry mix. Walnuts are rich in copper, which is the mineral glue required to cross-link collagen fibers. Without copper, the collagen you eat is just floating in your system. Goji berries provide the antioxidants needed to protect your new collagen from oxidative rust. This snack is a structural stabilizer for your hands and feet. It ensures that the collagen you are consuming actually sticks to your tissues, preventing the sagging of your internal support structures that leads to that shaky, unstable feeling in your limbs. If you're finding it hard to stay active because your heavy legs or intense weight plateau is making movement feel like a chore, one thing that's helping thousands right now is Citrus Burn. It is specifically designed to reduce those intense cravings by up to 54%, making it much easier to avoid the collagen-destroying sugars found in processed snacks. Plus, they're offering 2 free bonuses right now: the Rapid Detox Protocol and Mind Over Metabolism Mastery. These are perfect for cleaning your system from the inside out so your collagen snacks can actually reach your deep tissues. It's 100% plant-based and contains no stimulants, which is vital for senior heart health. Fifth is pickled pig's trotters or chicken feet. While this might seem unconventional to Westerners, Japanese and Chinese elders have used these collagen bombs for centuries to maintain iron legs. These parts are almost 100% collagen and elastin. For a senior over 60, these snacks provide the tensile strength required for your calf and thigh muscles to fire correctly. They rehydrate the fascia, the silvery tissue that wraps around your muscles, allowing your legs to move with fluidity rather than the grinding stiffness that causes so many falls. Sixth is sprouted pumpkin seeds. These are a powerhouse of zinc, another collagen cofactor. Zinc is essential for cellular turnover. In your 60s, your body's ability to replace old, brittle tissue with new, elastic collagen slows down. Sprouted pumpkin seeds restart this engine. They are the secret to maintaining the grip strength in your hands. By keeping the connective tissue in your palms and wrists supple, you prevent the claw-like stiffness and tingling that makes daily tasks a struggle. If you are struggling with a weight plateau that makes your joints ache and your metabolism feel stuck, one thing that's helping thousands right now is the biggest discount on the 6-bottle pack of Citrus Burn, which currently includes free shipping. This 2026 formula helps break through thermogenic resistance by activating your body's natural heat production. When you carry less visceral fat, the mechanical pressure on your joints is reduced, allowing your collagen snacking to repair your tissues significantly faster. It's the perfect natural solution for a 6-month stability reset with a 180-day 100% money-back guarantee. Seventh is aloe vera juice with silicic acid. Silica is the hidden mineral that gives collagen its strength. Without it, your collagen is limp and ineffective. Adding a splash of aloe vera to your water provides a mucilaginous layer that helps your gut absorb the collagen from your other snacks. This is the hydration bridge for your nerves. It ensures that the tingling in your hands is addressed from the inside out by keeping the fluid pressure around your nerves at an optimal, healthy level. Eighth is high-quality dark chocolate, 85% plus cocoa. This is the vascular pump for your collagen. The flavonols in dark chocolate increase blood flow to the periphery, your fingers and toes. Collagen can only repair areas that blood can reach. By snacking on a small square of dark chocolate, you are opening the gates, allowing the citrus burn-boosted nutrients to flood into your weak legs and tingling hands. It is the finishing touch that ensures your repair protocol is actually delivered to the end of the line. The final habit that 99% of people miss is the 2-minute collagen pulse. After eating any of these snacks, you must perform 2 minutes of vibrational movement, either by gently shaking your hands or doing light heel bounces on the floor. If you miss this last tip, the collagen you eat will simply settle in your digestive tract. The vibrational pulse creates piezoelectric tension in your bones and tendons. This electrical signal tells your body exactly where the collagen needs to go. It calls the nutrients to your weak legs and tingling hands. This simple 2-minute habit hardwires the repair process into your nervous system, ensuring that you wake up every morning feeling more stable, more plugged in, and more powerful. It is the secret to staying upright and vibrant for life. Your mobility is your autonomy. You don't have to accept weakness or tingling as your destiny. By clearing the metabolic sludge, mastering these 8 collagen snacks, and using the 2-minute pulse, you are taking a stand for your future. You have the power to stay strong and sharp well into your 90s. Start your bone broth habit tomorrow and feel the spark returning to your limbs. Subscribe. Which advice will you start applying today?